Hey friends, Andrew here, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist from the YouTube app. Simply click your profile on the lower right hand side, then here right below the history you'll find an option that says playlist. You can either click to view all playlists or you can simply click the plus here to simply create a new playlist. So you can tap on that, give the playlist a name. Let's say I'm going to call this one test as an example, and I can make this public. If you want to collaborate on this playlist, you can simply turn on the collaboration. Here it's really up to you. Other than that, if you don't want to do such, you can just leave it as non-collaborate and just simply click on create, and that's how you're going to grade and create your playlist. Once you create your playlist, just simply tap the add videos button and you can add whatever videos you want to it. So I can add this video, for example, something related to Barcelona. If you look below each of those videos, you can see here that you can easily have the option to quickly save the playlist. So if I want to save this to playlist, I simply tap on that. If I want to save this to playlist, I simply tap on that. And that's it, guys. You'll save the videos to playlist and you can see the list by clicking on that. And as you can see, this is my test and this is my playlist. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.